Have you ever found yourself struggling with Word documents? Like, you need page numbers, but not on the first few pages? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you a super simple way to add page numbers starting exactly where you want them. No more awkward moments with word formatting. Ready? So, let's begin. First, open the document you're working on. Now, scroll to the page where you want the numbering to start. It could be your second, third, or even your 10th page. Alright? Now, this is the magic trick that makes everything work. On the top menu, click on Insert. Select Page Number and select the format location of your page number. In my case, I will choose Bottom. Then, select the arrangement of the number. Click on the page number again. Then select on Format Page Number. Click Start At. Then OK. Tap on Link to Previous at the top. If it's enabled, go to Layout. Then Breaks. And finally, choose Next Page. This creates a brand new section starting from your selected page. Now go back to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and choose the style again. Then, you will see the number magically appear on your selected page. But wait, there's one last thing. Since we want to start one, even though it's not technically the first page, go back to the page number 1 and delete its page number. And that's it. Easy, right? With just a few clicks, you've got a perfectly formatted document that looks professional and polished. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips.